Hey guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and dive with practical in this tutorial how to have latest iOS on your iPhone device when your iPhone doesn't recommend to install latest iOS itself on this device. In this case, without data loss, what's the strategy we need to execute here to have a latest iOS? We will see. So firstly, let's do it by a device. We will click here, and after tapping on a setting, we will tap on a general. We will go in about. As we see here, 16.2 currently functional on this device or working on this device right now. I will back. Once again, we will tap on a software update. So as we see here guys, it's recommending 16.2 right now. So as we know that it's already working on this device or functional on this especially device. Now I would like to have the latest iOS without data loss. Can I add 16.3, 16.4? Yes, this can be possible by using Trio tool guys. So connect your data cable from your iPhone device to a PC or laptops. Open this tool, that is a Trio tool guys here. Click on a refresh options after coming on a device options. Tap on here and we will click on a smart flash. We will go in a firmware. So now see here. We can see now here 16.3 iOS. Of course, we have a chance to have this or to install on this device. So if you would like to download, after downloading, how we have to go here to install without data loss or update without data loss. So right now, as we see, total size approximately 6 GB, so it will take a time to download. So before coming in a download, we will click on easy flash and we will click once again on the refresh options. Now see, it has already executed to download, so it's in a pending. So right now I will click here to cut it. So it's not going here. So in that condition, what we have to do here, simply you have to cut it from here. We will cut it from here and we will click in here and we will exit from here. It's happened sometimes guys due to server error. So in that condition, similar strategy you need to execute here. Now once again I will open a Trio tool guys, and thereupon you have to click on a run as administrations, and now after coming here, once again we have to click on a smart flash and we will click here. We will go in a download options. We will cut it from here. So now see, it's gone. Now here, once again I will execute here to download. So it has started to a download here. But as we know that total size is approximately 6 GB, so definitely it will take a time. So video will be lengthy. But see, after downloading, simply you have to come on this retain user data options. This one you have to select. Don't select quick flash mode as well as anti-recovery or fixed flash. In 3 options, you will lose your data. So go with this one, and after going, just click on here. Here we have one message that if you would like to back up, then if you are unable to have a data after losing, then of course you can restore your data if you have already or had already backed. So in that condition you can, otherwise if it is already stored in your iCloud, then directly you can go for flash without. And if you don't, then of course you can go for backup, then you can. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, blindly add the query below the comment box. Definitely I would reply as soon as possible according to your query. And if it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe on this channel, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video such as informative or in lies may be beneficial for them to have such kind of information, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.